Earbuds with a noise cancellation are designed to reduce background noise, allowing for clearer and a more immersive listening experience. They use built-in microphones and sound processing technology to block or minimize unwanted sounds from the surroundings, making them ideal for music, calls, and focus in noisy environments. Leading brands like Apple, Sony, Bose, Samsung, and JBL offer high-quality noise-canceling earbuds with advanced features. There are two types: active noise cancellation, which uses electronics to counteract external noise, and passive noise cancellation, which relies on earbuds designed to block the sound. Many premium models in the gadget zone now come with a transparency mode, allowing users to hear their surroundings when needed. Adaptive ANC that adjusts to the environment, and spatial audio for surround sound experience. So here in this video, I'll be showing you 5 amazing noise cancellation earbuds that you can consider to buy. So all the earbuds links are provided in the description. Boult Nirvana Ion ANC Pro high resolution audio with noise cancellation. Experience the top quality sound with the Boult Pro, designed for music lovers who want clear and immersive audio. Featuring high-resolution audio by LTAC, these earbuds ensure superior wireless streaming by efficiently compressing audio files, offering better quality than AAC or SBC formats. With up to 32 decibel active noise cancellation, you can block out background noise and enjoy your music without distraction, making them one of the best noise cancelling earbuds with noise cancellation. The 120-hour battery life ensures uninterrupted entertainment for perfect long journeys or binge watching your favorite OTT shows. Equipped with a dual EQ mode and crystal bionic sound, the high-quality Fidelity 10mm drivers deliver rich and immersive audio experience. Additionally, ENX technology with the 4 microphone ensures clear voice quality even in noise environments, making calls crisp and professional with a sleek design and powerful features. The Boult earbuds are a great choice for those who value premium sound and long-lasting performance. Noise Aura Buds in-ear truly wireless earbuds. Stay connected and enjoy uninterrupted music with the Noise Aura Buds, designed for those who need long-lasting performance and seamless connectivity. With an impressive 60 hours playtime, you can listen to your favorite tunes without constantly recharging. The dual device pairing features lets you switch effortlessly between 2 devices, making multitasking easier. Equipped with a quad mic ANC, these earbuds ensure crystal clear calls even in the noisy environments. The powerful 12mm polymer composite drivers deliver rich and immersive sound for superior listening experience. It also comes with an IPX5 rating, which makes these earbuds resistant to splash and sweat, making them perfect for workouts and outdoors. Buy this amazing buds for its charging speed of the earbuds is perfect, sleek design, and its affordable battery lasts up to 5 to 6 days and strong build quality. OnePlus Nord Buds 3 truly wireless Bluetooth in-ear earbuds with up to 32 decibel active noise cancellation. Experience the uninterrupted high-quality sound with the OnePlus Nord Buds 3, designed for superior performance and all-day comfort. And it comes with up to 32 decibel active noise cancellation. These earbuds effectively block out distractions, letting you focus on your music, calls, or work. Power through your day with an impressive 43-hour total playback. And it also ensures non-stop entertainment. Fast charging is there, and fast charging gives you 11 hours of playtime in just 10 minutes of charging, so you are never out of music for long. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3 features immersive sound with powerful drivers delivering deep bass and crisp audio, and these might be the best earbuds with the noise cancellation, ensuring truly immersive experience in any environment. Buy this amazing pair of earbuds for its comfortable in wearing, smooth connectivity, value for money, and the sound quality is perfect. Boult newly launched Clarity 4 earbuds with a 60 Hz playtime. Immerse yourself in seamless audio with the Boult Clarity 4 earbuds designed for powerful sound, clear calls, and all-day comfort. With an impressive 60-hour playtime, stay connected with the music, podcast, or calls without frequent charging. The Zen Quad mic ANC ensures crystal clear calls by filtering background noise. For gamers, the 45 millisecond low latency mode delivers a real-time sound, while the 10mm drivers provide deep bass and rich audio. Type-C fast charging gives 120 minutes of playtime in just 10 minutes, ensuring you're always ready. And with the 35 decibel active noise cancellation, these earbuds blocks external noise for immersive experience. Overall, it's an amazing earbud, and buy this earbuds for the charging speed is perfect. It is budget friendly, improves call clarity, and a sleek design for the earbuds. JBL Wave Beam 2 best wireless Bluetooth earbuds with active noise cancellation. Immerse yourself with the powerful high-quality sound with the JBL Wave Beam 2 earbud designed for exceptional listening experience. Featuring active noise cancellation, these earbuds block the unwanted noise, letting you focus on the pure, uninterrupted audio. Stay powered for longer with the 40 hours of total playback, while speed charge ensures quick top-ups when needed. Customize your sound with the JBL app, which offers an extra bass, EQ, and relax mode for personalized experience. Equipped with a multi-connect, you can seamlessly switch between devices without hassle. This is considered as one of the best earbuds delivering superior sound and functionality. The fast pair features ensures an instant connection, while the 4 built-in mics provide crystal clear calls. With the IP54 rating, these earbuds are resistant to dust and water, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. Whether you are commuting, working, or relaxing, the JBL earbuds deliver premium audio performance every time. Buy these amazing earbuds for their easy-to-connect feature, value for money, sleek design, and sound quality is perfect. So these are the 5 amazing budget noise cancellation enabled earbuds that you can consider. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.